Okay. Hello everyone, my name is Ashif Rahman. Previously, we have explored about all the main features of OpenDOS 3D. Now let's dive into the fitting part. Before we go to the fitting part, we should already have the results from image quantification, starting from inputting the patient's data, performing registration, and image segmentation. And you can perform this automatically or manually using OpenDOS 3D, clicking settings here. Now, this example, I already have my own segmentation for several organs. In this case, I have spleen, kidney, both right and left, liver, and three of the vertebrae. So basically, for performing the fitting and time integration, we can click the time integration section here and click the activity tables. So basically, from the image quantification, it will extract the biokinetic data for each organ in each time point. So the biokinetic data will be fitted with sum of exponential functions. It will take some time, so I will pause this recording here and I will continue after it will. Okay, now the fitting is already finished. So we can see over here, the fitting is performed for each organ. So each organ is fitted with their own sum of exponential functions. And yeah, it fit nicely here. So next, we can click the integrate activity and it will show some tables here. Since in here I use the activity workflow, it will show the time integrated activity column here, along with the absorb dose for each organ, along with its standard deviation. So each organ also contains the information of mass and their fitted functions in here. By default, the fitting is performed automatically with model selection mechanism using the fit workflow. But we can also select our desired function manually by clicking these options, and you can choose which functions you want. And yeah, I will explain about this later. We can also limit the functions to only select the function that satisfy the condition that the activity equals 0 when time is 0 by clicking this option. Okay, in this case, I will use the liver as it uh, shows a better graph, good graph, so you can see the difference. As you can see over here now, for 0, make the functions that only select the function that satisfy the condition that the activity equals 0 when times is 0. We will explore the functions, the model selection, and the fit workflow later. Now, if we check and click the settings here, we can see these box settings. This settings stands for the settings for NuFit manual. We can keep this later before we go into the technical part for each settings. Let's explore the theory of this fitting. Now let's open the OpenDOS 3D websites in your browser. You can type OpenDOS in your preferred search engine, and you can find the OpenDOS 3D website here. And you can go to the OpenDOS software, patient-specific dosimetry, and you can click here, and uh, show the GitLab website, and you can click the user manual. This document pretty much explains everything about OpenDOS 3D. Of course, I encourage you to read this, but for now, I want to hover down to the time integration part. By default, OpenDOS 3D using models from NuFit. As we showed earlier, we have several functions for these NuFit models. The number of this equation 2, 3, and 4, this number represents the number of parameters that the models of function have. For example, in this equation 2 means that there are 2 parameters in the model. This user manual gives you the model and how physiologically it explains, and whether it satisfies the condition of activity or f equals 0 when time is 0. Another settings is that you can use the LMFit models, and it has 3 different models of functions. You can explore about this. And yeah, basically the fitting is performed based on the minimization of the objective function. These objective functions represents the residual error. Residual error means that the difference or the error between the data and the model, fitted model, and it will also evaluate the error model or error of the data. The error model here is calculated by determining the variance of the data scaled by some value. The variance of the data can be separated into two settings. In this user manual, maybe you may encounter some error here in the typing, means that it doesn't show the equation properly. So you can just scroll down into the reference. In the fitting settings, we mainly based on the reference from Kletting et al. Yeah. So I already have the publication here. It is pretty much the same with the user manual. So this is the objective function previously. Now we focus on the variance model or the error model. As, uh, as we explained earlier, the error model can be described by determining the variance scaled by some value. The variance itself can be modified into two settings, whether it is based on the data or based on the models. The ABC, the A stands for the additive part of the variance, B stands for the proportional part, and C stands for the power part, the variance. So, for example, if you want to have the error model, proportional error model with 10% fractional standard deviation, you can type the A equals 0 and B equals 0.01, means 10% fractional standard deviation, and C equals 2. And for the scale value, you also have two settings between the absolute value. Absolute value means the value of V equals 1, and the relative value, or relative weighting, means that the value of V is estimated by this equation. Since it is estimated, it will obviously add parameters to the model. Now we can go back to the technical part. So, as we mentioned, basically, it will perform the model selection automatically by considering the Akai information criterion and the Akai weighting, and it will choose the best model. Also, you can choose your own model, your preferred model in here. You can change the settings, the fitting settings in this box settings. We already have a proportional. Proportional means the A equals 0, B equals the fractional standard deviation, and C equals 2, just like the example previous. The second settings is the constant. The constant error model means the A equals the standard deviation of the data. B equals 0 means that this term is neglected. And the last option is the Poisson. The Poisson error model means A equals 0, B equals the fractional standard deviation, but the C, the value of C equals to 1, not 2 like proportional. Also, you can customize your own error model by putting your own value of A, B, and C. Also, in the error model, you can choose whether you want to use database or model-based. In addition, you can also select whether you want to perform with absolute weighting. In this case, the V value is equals to 1, or the relative weighting means that the value of V is estimated and added as a parameter. As you can see over here, with absolute weighting, we can perform equation for A, for example. But for the relative weighting, if you if we perform with another function with 4 parameters, it will show some errors because it adds another parameter. So it will mostly under overfit, perform overfitting, and yeah, it will produce error. You can explore about these settings by yourself and see the how it will affect your calculation. Also, OpenDOS not only give you the table and the fitting graph, it will show some summary of the fitting, the model selection, and the integration. You can see it in the installation folder of the 3D slicer. It is based on which operating system you use. Basically, it will be in the system of your operating system. So in this 3D slicer installation folder, you can just go to the extension, in this case, the OpenDOS 3D. Yeah, in the folder of the OpenDOS 3D, you can see the folder of report. The folder of report will give you three summary: the fitting summary, the integration summary, and the model selection summary. The model selection summary explains the weighted AKIK for each models, and that pass the goodness of it, and it will see the which model that is selected. The fitting summary pretty much sum up all the fitting and all the goodness of it for all the function in each organ. So in this case, we can see the spleen, all the functions, and all the goodness of it. Also for right kidney, left kidney, and the rest of the organs. It contains the value of parameter and standard deviation, the CV, the AKIK, corrected AKIK criteria, the BIC, Bayesian information criteria, and the correlation matrix. The AKIK in this case also wasted in the model selection report, so uh, obviously select the best model based on this weighted AKIK. And the integration summary will sum up all the function that is used and the area under the curve that is from the base model that is selected. Lastly, I'm going to show you one more thing. Let's go back into the installation of OpenDOS 3D folder. You can see here, there are a folder called resources. You can just open it and open the folder GSON. There are several files in this folder, and I'm going to focus into two files. In this case, the fitting settings, options. First, I'm going to show the fitting setting. This file can be opened with text editor. It is basically based on your operating system. In this case, I use Windows, and usually it use Notepad. So let's open it with Notepad. There are several settings here, and I'm going to focus with A, B, C, and SD. So this is related to the error model. So as we discussed earlier, error model is based A, B, C value, where it is also based on the base model, database, or model base. So if you use proportional error model, it will automatically make the A value equals 0, B value equals FSD, and C value equals 2. So in the settings, the ABC value will be ignored, and the SD will be considered as the fractional standard deviation. So you put the value of fractional standard deviation here as if you choose the proportional error. For the constant error model, the value of A equals the standard deviation, and the value of B is 0, meaning that this term is neglected, is ignored. So in the settings, again, the value of A, B, C will be ignored, and the value of SD will be represented as the standard deviation for constant error model. For Poisson error model, the value of A equals 0, the value of B equals to fractional standard deviation, and the value of C equals to 1, not 2 like proportional. So again, in the settings, the value of A, B, C will be ignored, and the value of SD will be considered as a fractional standard deviation. And for the last settings of error model, you can customize your error model. In this case, you can type yourself the value of A, B, and C, and the value of SD here will be ignored. The value of ftol means the tolerance value for the objective function difference for the convergence. You can explore this value later. The last thing, there are options file here. You can also open it with your text editor. There are also several settings here, but I want to hover down for time integration part. You can change the settings between NucFit or LMFit here as your default fitting settings. Also, you can change the default fitting in here. By default, it performs automatic fitting and automatic model selection, but you can change your default fitting maybe with equation 2, equation 3, or equation 4, A, B, C. You can change the default here, or you can just keep it with automatic fitting by default. Okay, I think that's all for the fitting part. Hopefully, it will help clinical practitioners for dosimetry and treatment planning in radioinfluenza. That's all from me. See you later.